In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Kit for email marketing on WordPress. To get started, sign into your Kit account and head to the main dashboard. What we are going to do is create a simple landing page that collects email subscribers. This is one of the easiest ways to grow your list because Kit will host the page for you and give you a shareable link you can place on your WordPress site, in social profiles, or anywhere you promote your content. First, look for the Grow section in the left side menu. From there, select Landing Pages and Forms. This area is where Kit manages the pages and forms that capture subscriber information. Once you are inside, click Create New, then choose Landing Page. This tells Kit you want a standalone sign-up page rather than an embedded form. Next, you will pick a template. You can choose any template you like, since they all work the same way for collecting subscribers. Select one that matches your brand style, then click Choose to load it into the editor. At this point, you can review the layout and confirm it has the fields you need, like name or email. The template choice is mainly about design, so focus on clarity and readability. Now go to the top right and click Settings, then open the Incentive section. This is an important configuration step because it controls how new subscribers are confirmed. Enable the option labeled Auto Confirm New Subscribers. With this turned on, people who sign up are added immediately, which can reduce friction and help you grow faster. Make sure you only use this if it matches your compliance needs and your email marketing approach. After that, click Save to store your changes. Then click Publish in the top right. Publishing makes the landing page live and accessible on the internet. Give it a moment to finish, and then look for the URL Kit provides for your newly published page. Finally, copy that URL and share it. You can paste it into a button or link on your WordPress site, add it to a menu, include it in a blog post, or use it in your social media bios. A helpful tip is to place the link somewhere obvious, like your site header or a dedicated subscribe section, so visitors can find it quickly. That covers everything you need to know.